Today, Marques Brownlee released a video titled "The Most Interesting Displays in the World," and one of the products featured was XREAL Aura, formerly known as Project Aura. However, while the video gave us a closer look at the hardware and some of the technology behind it, MKBHD didn't reveal a specific launch date, pricing, availability details, or how pre-orders will work. Fortunately, we now have some additional information that fills in those gaps. XREAL has officially renamed Project Aura to XREAL Aura and has already opened reservations ahead of its planned fall 2026 launch. Interested buyers have two options. You can place a $99 refundable reservation deposit today, which gets you a $199 launch credit, effectively giving early adopters a $100 discount when the glasses officially go on sale. Alternatively, if you want to be at the absolute front of the line, XREAL is offering a $299 Founder Priority Pass. This higher tier guarantees earliest batch delivery and includes a unique limited edition number permanently printed on your hardware. As for availability, XREAL says Aura will launch first in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Japan, and South Korea. European availability is expected to follow later. While the company still hasn't announced an exact launch date, fall 2026 is currently the official launch window. Pricing remains one of the biggest unanswered questions. XREAL still hasn't announced the final retail price of Aura, but the company has confirmed that the base model will be priced at no more than $1,500 before taxes. That's still firmly in premium territory, though it could make Aura more accessible than some of the high-end mixed reality headsets currently on the market, depending on where the final price lands. Now, let's talk about how the hardware actually works, because there is an important distinction here. Aura uses a tethered split compute architecture. The glasses themselves weigh under 95 grams, feature a 70-degree field of view, and house XREAL's custom X1S spatial coprocessor. But they don't do it all alone. The heavy lifting, meaning Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon Reality Elite platform, the battery, and the operating system, lives in a separate computing puck that connects to the glasses via cable. The software running on that puck is equally important. Aura is built on Android XR and deeply integrated with Google's Gemini AI. Gemini can understand what you're looking at, provide contextual assistance, launch apps, answer questions, and help navigate the XR interface using natural language. XREAL has also started talking about launch content. Titles such as Fallout, Factions, and Project Hail Mary have already been mentioned, showing that the company wants Aura to be more than just a productivity device. Gaming, entertainment, and immersive experiences appear to be a major part of the strategy as well. So while MKBHD gave us a great look at the display technology, we're now starting to get a clearer picture of what Aura will actually look like as a product. We know the launch window, the reservation tiers, launch markets, pricing ceiling, the split compute hardware platform, and some of the software experiences that will be available when it arrives later this year. Peace.